To get started using the BERT model, we'll want to import the relevant functions from the transformers package. So we'll do from transformers, import BERT for question answering, and we'll import the BERT tokenizer. We'll also want to import the torch package for later on. The next thing is to load the model and the tokenizer for the model we're interested in. So we'll specify our model name. In this case, we're using BERT large uncased, and we're using a fine-tuned version based on the squad dataset for question answering. The uncased part just means it treats uppercase and lowercase words the same. We can then load our model, so BERT for question answering .from pre-trained, and we reference our model name. Same with the tokenizer. We'll load BERT tokenizer from pre-trained and specify again the model we want to use the tokenizer for. Let's now move on to create some embeddings using this tokenizer.